Hello guys, here we are in Mountain Bike Trail Center Kočevje. My name is Kristjan Vreček and this is Jakob Markič, and we are about to hit it off. The first stage of Slovenian Enduro National Championship in the Dragon's Nest. Let's go, baby. So here in front of me, the nicest ass on Slovenian mountain bike scene, Jakob Markič, is flying down the first stage of Slovenian Enduro in Mountain Bike Trail Center Kočevje, and he's fast. Boy, he is fast. Right from the get-go, he's carrying speed like a pro. Woohoo! Amazing trail it is. So flowy. Yeah, boy! A bug flew into my mouth, but that doesn't faze me because I'm the king of the jungle. Oh yeah, bouncing like a rabbit and looking smooth. Oh yeah, Jacob. That is amazing. What an interesting choice of line from Jakob Markič. He is a downhill expert, riding for SuperSnerf team from Ljubljana. Oh, he's carrying great speed through this section. Woo! Look at him, he's going away. He was here yesterday, so he knows the trail better than I do, but I doesn't faze. Yeah, my mind is bulletproof. I'm solid, strong competitor, eager to follow this young gentleman. Oh, Jakob, but this is amazing. Yeah. Kako lepo. Stylish through this section, carrying great speed. No sign of slowing down. This is our first run today, but he's charging it. I hope that he will put down a great run tomorrow. Wow, what a nice flow, guys. Wow, he's breathing like an elephant. I can see him. Woo! I'm going on the jump. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, what a nice section. Wow, what a nice ass. What a nice thighs. What a great posture on the bike. Oh, ide kurvu. Aha, klein noter. Okay, v redu, majke mi moje, as the Balkan would say. Aha, a little bit of off camber and another one. Thank God the trails are dry, because in the wet it would be totally different story. On the rock garden, but Jakob Markič is going smooth thanks to his specialized enduro bike. What a great machine. All right, that was first stage, and now the bottom part is canal. Is this canal? Yeah. How do you think about the tracks, guys?
We are first time here.
Yeah.
So I'm riding the first time I'm riding here canal, so I think it will be great.
Fast.
Yes.
Loose.
Fast, loose.
And erotic.
Yes.
That's about it. Closing down this camera. I love you guys.